Hey, beautiful souls. Welcome back to Sensual Flow Academy. Today we're getting playful with a twerk tutorial straddling a chair, a sexy grounded movement that feels so good in the body. Whether you're here to explore, build confidence, or just have fun, this is a safe space to move freely. So grab a sturdy chair, get comfortable, and let's dive in. We're going to start with some seated Sufi grinds. So sitting up straight, your knees are spread, and rotating your torso in a full circle. So you're inhaling forward, exhaling as you curve back. You can put your hands on the back of the chair for support. You can rest your hands on your thighs, whatever feels comfortable for you. Breathing deeply as we warm up the spine and the hips. Make sure you change in the other direction. Using that breath, inhaling forward, exhaling, curving the spine back. I'm going to turn my chair around so you can really see pelvic tilts, because this is the foundation of the twerk, of the seated twerk. So inhaling as you tilt your pelvis back, exhaling as you tilt your pelvis forward and your spine curves back a bit in that C position, continuing with that motion. Feeling your core engage as well with this. And then we're moving into some hip circles. So this may look similar to Sufi grinds, but the focus of the circles is coming more from the hips with this rather than the torso. So play around with this. One more thing, lightly tapping or massaging the lower back and glutes wakes up these muscles, so go ahead and show yourself a little love. Yes. All right, now let's break this down. First, posture. You want to sit toward the edge of the chair, feet firmly planted, knees open, core engaged. Hands can rest on your thighs or lightly hold the back of the chair for support. Now let's find the bounce. Start by rocking your hips forward and back, nice and slow. This is all about your lower back and glutes, not your thighs. Keep your chest lifted. And once you feel that basic motion, let's speed it up. There it is. That's your basic seated twerk. If you feel silly at first, that's totally normal. Just breathe and let go, and remember that this is fun and playful exploration to see what we can do on a chair. Now let's switch it up. Try engaging one glute at a time. Left, right, left, right. This gives that alternating twerk effect. Remember to stay playful with it. Don't take it too seriously. Another way to add some flavor is you can lift slightly off the chair, which is going to activate your thighs a lot more. But just a couple of inches, you can hold the back of the chair for support and keep that bounce going. This adds more dimension to your movement. All right, now let's put this into a simple sensual flow. We start with a slow hip roll. And don't forget your arms. Try sliding them up your thighs or placing one on the back of the chair for that extra sultry vibe. Then into a seated twerk, alternating cheeks, lifting slightly and ending with a soft, swaying finish. Yes, that was fire. Remember, twerking is not just about the movement. It's about confidence, play, and pleasure in your own skin. So take your time, let go of expectations, and just enjoy the process. It's not actually about looking a certain way. It's about exploring the movement and how it feels in your body. If you loved this tutorial, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear how it felt for you. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a new Sensual Flow session with me. Until next time, stay wild, stay free, and keep moving with love.